Canva makes it easy for the average user to create a design they can be happy with without too much fuss. If you're creating something like a logo or a design for a shirt, you may need to make your background completely transparent, or use a partially transparent background image for a nice framing effect. No matter the case, here's what you need to do. If you want to make the background of your file completely transparent, you'll need to use Canva Pro. Note that if you don't have Canva Pro and just need to use it a few times, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial on the site. Using the link in the description below, just click on Try Canva Pro on the top of the screen and click Try Free for 30 days on the pop-up that shows up on your display. Once you have Canva Pro, the process is more or less the same on both desktop and mobile apps. Once you've opened your file in Canva Pro, click on the arrow icon in the top of the screen. If you're using Canva in a desktop browser, click on the scroll down menu under File Type and choose PNG from the list. If you're using Canva's mobile app, you'll have to tap on Save As to reach this menu. From here, set your size, then click on Transparent Background and tap or click Download. The app will erase the background and download your PNG file automatically. Now, if you're using a background image and you want to make it more transparent to emphasize what's in front of it or to show what's behind it, that's a totally different thing. Just click on your background image, then on the transparency icon next to the paint roller icon. Use the slider that pops up to make your image as transparent as you'd like. Once you've found something that works for you, just click out of the tool to exit. Your changes will be saved automatically. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Canva and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.